Hi. In an era of increasing customer demands, the only thing that matters is how a customer feels about the experience that your brand is able to provide. Therefore, one of the best ways to improve this experience is by adopting a CRM tool. In this video, we'll learn how a CRM tool or the customer relationship management software is able to benefit the larger organization and the SMBs. Number 1. Access to larger storage space. Do you know that the revenue from CRM software industry is expected to reach $80 billion by the year 2025? Well, one of the major factors contributing to this is because the CRM software allows you to access your database from any location in real time. So even if you signed up a customer a long time back, there's no need to worry about losing their critical information. Number 2, designated mobile app for better productivity. Well, studies have shown that businesses can improve the productivity of their employees by almost 50% if they use a CRM software. And modern day CRM solutions come equipped with a mobile version as well. So even if your sales representative is not available at their workstation, they can easily cater to their customer needs by simply logging in to their mobile CRM app. Number 3, dedicate each customer the time they deserve. So when an organization is experiencing growth, on-premise is the way to go. But with an increasing number of customers, there has been a constant need to transfer some of that data to the cloud. In fact, over the past 13 years, there has been a 7x increase in the number of businesses opting for a cloud-based CRM solution. So when your database management is sorted, not only you can manage your existing leads, but you can also contact potential customers on time. Number 4, CRM can actually help you retain more customers. With a growing number of organizations, over 60% increasing their IT spending over the previous year, it has been CRM solutions that has been leading the IT investment race. This can be attributed to the fact that customers are directly facing those products that have a higher impact on customer retention rates. Some of these products actually contain a self-help desk, dedicated help portal, and many more. Number 5, you can deliver a personalized marketing experience. The way a business treats its customer is defined by the way that whether that customer will actually turn into a loyal customer or whether they will actually reframe themselves from ever signing into an app. So, email marketing has shown to be one of the best methods for targeting your potential customers. That is because for every $1 spent, you can expect an ROI of over $51. So when you sign into an app like Easy CRM, you can expect to send those emails that describe your brand in the best way possible. Number 6, it can streamline your entire sales cycle process. More than 50% of the employees that were part of successful sales team credited their productivity to a really great CRM software. And that is rightly said so. It's because the CRM software actually manages your sales cycle right from the process of lead generation till the time that customer gets successfully onboarded. And on top of that, the automated process of a CRM software helps to ensure that each stage of your cycle gets completed at a faster pace. Number 7, CRM software promotes collaboration. 87% of sales representatives have agreed that CRM software helped them track their day-to-day activities. Additionally, they could see the statuses of their sales calls currently in progress and could even inform their teammates about any changes. Furthermore, they could download their weekly and monthly reports with just a few clicks. These were some of the ways that we have mentioned. There are many different ways by which you can use a CRM software to increase your sales. Head over to our blog post to find more information there. The link is in the description. If you find this video insightful, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.